Hi viewers, in this video we will be learning how to upload the time schedule of your class on Classera. So you can see my interface. These classes are assigned to me. In order to upload the weekly plans or other stuff, we have to first of all upload the time schedule. So let's start from this class, Business Studies Grade 10. You can see number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you click on number 5, you will find managed timetable. Click on it. And then two sections of your class, 10O and P, are assigned to you. So let's start uploading the timetable for grade 10O. So look into the time schedule of this teacher. So he has class of 10O on Sunday, 5th period. So click on new time slot here. So by default, the Sunday is there. So select period number 5 and then submit. This class slot is successfully added to your Classera. So you can see period number 5, Sunday. And then go to the next day, Monday. 10O is the first period. Click next new time slot. Here we go. We have to change the day from Sunday to Monday and period number 2. And then submit. This class has a clash with another teacher. So click it here. Confirm by clicking here. If it does not resolve, then you can select any other entry, for example, period number 2 star, and then you can see the time slot is successfully saved. Same is the case with the next day, Tuesday, 10O, let's see, 10O period number 7, and click on new time slot. We have to select the day, Tuesday, and period number 7. So here we click period number 7 and then submit. And then you can see we have successfully added 3 days time schedule for this grade. Now next, go to Wednesday. There is no class for 10O on Wednesday. On Thursday, we can see period number 2nd. Second period is for this grade. So click on Thursday. We have to change the entry from Sunday to Thursday. And this period number is 2. So again, we have to select period number 2. So we successfully added all 4 lessons schedule of grade 10O on our Classera account. So in order to watch more videos, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.